Did you know ancient symbols can still influence our lives today? Curious? Let's dive into the world of timeless symbols of prosperity. From the ancient Egyptians to the mystics of the Orient, symbols have wielded incredible power. One such symbol is the scarab beetle, a symbol of rebirth and protection, believed to attract wealth and good fortune. The scarab beetle, for instance, was revered in ancient Egypt as a symbol of the sun god Ra. Representing the cycle of life, death and rebirth, it was believed to protect against evil and bring good fortune. And then there's the Chinese coin, a powerful emblem of prosperity often used in feng shui to invite abundance into your life. Chinese coins, often tied together with red string, symbolize the union of heaven and earth. They are used in feng shui to attract wealth, prosperity and positive energy into one's home or business. But why do these symbols work? It's not just mythology, it's about intention and belief. When you focus on these symbols, you channel positive energy, aligning your mindset with success. So why not incorporate these potent symbols into your daily life? Whether it's jewelry, artwork, or even a small token, let these ancient treasures guide you towards a prosperous future. Embrace the mystery, embrace the wealth. Start your journey today. These symbols work through the power of intention and belief. By focusing on them, you align your thoughts and actions with the energy of success and abundance. Incorporate these symbols into your daily life, whether through jewelry, artwork, or small tokens, and let their ancient wisdom guide you towards a prosperous future. Thank you for joining us on this journey. May these ancient symbols bring you prosperity and joy. We appreciate your time and interest. Stay blessed and abundant.